Good morning, Andy here from GDMFX, Senior Account Executive. We start with the North American markets. Yesterday we had the initial jobless claims, came out 13,000 worse than expected. Monthly budget statement, $1 billion worse than expected. Dow, 7 points up, Nasdaq 19 points up, Dixie up to 97.97 from 97.55. USD CAD 65 pips up, USD Swiss franc 45 pips up. Today we will have retail sales, retail control and PPI. Continue with the EU markets. We had news from France yesterday. Came out slightly worse than expected. The DAX 30 had a small range yesterday. CAC 40 as well, a 50 points range. Euro USD 60 down. Today we had German CPI 0.4% as expected. Later we'll wait for the targeted LTRO and unemployment from Italy. For the UK markets, yesterday it was the Super Thursday. We had the asset purchase facility. It came out as expected at 375 billion pounds. Interest rate remained unchanged at 0.5%. Bank of England vote cut unchanged, it's 0. Trade balance worse than expected. At the end of the day, the pound suffered against his major rivals. GBP Aussie 295 pips range, 137 down for the day. GBP JPY 22 pips down. Continue with the Asian and Pacific markets. Bank of Japan may push back easing to April 2016. Citi Japan economists expect the central bank to add further monetary stimulus at the January meeting. Also the Nikkei 225, 16 points down, 204 up already. Tomorrow we will have the Chinese industrial production, foreign direct investment and retail sales. In the Pacific, we had New Zealand Business PMI 57.7 higher than previous 53.3. Aussie USD 40 pips up, Aussie Kiwi 110 range, Aussie Swiss franc 80 pips up, Aussie Yen 50 pips up. We move to commodities. The S&P 500 index had a range of 23 points at 2,053 at the moment. Gold had a range of $12, trading at 1,070 now. Silver had a range of 16 cents at 14.10 at the moment. Crude oil had almost $1 range at 36.54 at the moment. Natural gas trading at 1.97 now, range of 10 cents yesterday. Crude futures plunged to fresh 7-year lows after OPEC reported on Thursday that it pumped oil at its highest level in more than 3 years in November. And also gold was steady yesterday, but was vulnerable to further downside as the dollar rebounded and ahead of a widely anticipated US interest rate rise next week. Thank you, enjoy the weekend.